Unity Day is symbolic of helping people to be connected and mutually supported. It's so important for the development of our children, for their feeling of safety, their feeling of the freedom to be able to be themselves. What we had them do was answer questions non-verbally. They stepped from the outer ring of a circle inward to the center of a circle. We are trying to teach the kids that they may notice their differences, but we want them to pay more attention to the things that they have in common with one another. That strengthens us as a community, it strengthens us as individuals, and it also can help us learn a little bit more about ourselves and our ability to have empathy for others.
I learned a lot about other people that I didn't know, things that I can connect to other people about. If we understand someone, then it's easier to be kind and respectful.
You should always be kind to people, and you should always help people and encourage them, and yeah.
At HEIM Middle School, we have a social emotional focus in our HEIM times, and this month it has been, who are you under your mask? Individually, each student created a mask explaining who they are and their true identity. And then as a group in that HEIM time, they together did one mask to really symbolize who that group was together.
It's very important to celebrate unity because we can bring people together a lot more and stop bullying.
We decided this year to create walls of adults and children representing who they are individually and independently of each other, but the arms were connecting us all together. So I think it's really symbolic of what Forest Elementary has always believed, that we are many different trees under one forest family. The kids are really excited to kind of learn something new about each other that maybe they didn't know before because it's on their mannequin.
I showed how everybody is a different color and how I look.
What does unity mean to you?
To celebrate how everybody looks different, but we're all the same.
We're all different in a way, but we're all just one big family.